I can't believe we're actually here together. It feels like a dream.
But I seriously flew halfway around the world for this. I'm actually standing right in front of you. I really did it.
I'm so relieved I can finally believe you.
And wow, you look even better in person than on video calls. You look amazing. You're actually taller than I thought.
Thank you. You look so handsome. Ah, are you hungry? I made your favorite dish today.
No way. You made it?
Yep, I woke up super early and went to the store.
I'm starving just thinking about it.
But before we go home, I have something I need to tell you.
A secret? I didn't think we had any secrets.
Well, I do. And I hope you'll still like me after you hear it.
Okay, spill it.
So, remember how we met on that dating app?
Yeah, we've been chatting for over a year now. And then I decided to fly all the way here because I wanted something serious.
Right. So here's the thing. When we first started talking, it was actually my sister who was texting you, not me.
Wow, that's a twist.
I'm so sorry. My sister, she's not great at English, so she always asks me to translate for her.
I see.
And then after a week of chatting, she got bored and asked me to take over. I mean, we had so much in common, so I kept going.
Wow, I didn't see that coming.
I'm really sorry I didn't tell you sooner.
I'm kind of shocked, to be honest.
Because I've grown really fond of you, and when you said you were coming here, I was so nervous. I didn't know if I should tell you the truth.
So it was you I've been talking to all this time?
Yeah, it was me,
What's your name?
Emily.
But your sister's name is Emily too.
We're twins.
Oh, I get it.
So, how do you feel about this little secret of mine?
I think it's pretty funny actually.
Funny? You're not mad?
Not at all. I mean, I fell for you, not just some online persona. And I hope there are no more surprises.
That's it. I'm glad you're not mad.
But I hope you don't have any more secrets from me.
I swear on everything I hold dear, that's all.
I appreciate you sharing that with me, honey. I'm really hungry now. Let's go.
I feel so relieved that you're not mad at me for this. Let's go. I'm starving too.